Hi, I'm Lindsay Strom with the Key Advantage team. I love being part of such an amazing group that supports each other. We really are like a work family. It's so nice to all share and collaborate, and together we really all achieve more.
Hi, I'm Kerry with the Key Advantage team, and I love being a part of a dedicated and passionate group of people who give their all every day professionally and personally.
Hi, I'm Marisa with the Key Advantage team. I love being part of a team with such empowering women because it makes me want to be the best that I can.
Hi, I'm Streamit from the Key Advantage team. I love working for this team because we're all about hustle, loyalty, respect, and attitude. We're here to serve you better, together.
Hi, it's Lorraine McDonald from the Key Advantage team. I love working with this group of women. We're very supportive of each other. We're so like-minded, and customers always come first. And I'm proud to be on this team with this wonderful group of women.